Welcome to the Python series. In today's video, we are going to look about what are identity operators. So first, let's get to know what is an identity operator. Identity operators are used to compare the objects not if they're equal but if they are the same object with the same memory location. Here we use the double equal to operator to check whether and compare whether the values of the two objects are the same or not. So whether the left operand is equal to the right operand. This is the table for the identity operator. First we have the operator, then the description and the example. The first operator is the is operator, and it describes that it returns true if both variables are the same object. For example, x is y. The next operator is the is not operator. It returns true if both the variables are not the same object. For example, x is not y. So now let us do some examples on identity operators. So first let's start with taking a variable x and we're going to assign it with a list of elements, which is item 1 and item 2. Next we're going to take a variable y with the same set of elements item 1 and item 2. Next we're going to assign a variable z and check whether it's equal to x. Now let us print a statement saying that x is z. By using the is identity operator, here you get the boolean value to be true, and so that the memory allocated for the object x would be equal to the object z. So now let's try for print y is z. So in this case you can see that it is false because the memory allocated to y is not the same as the memory which is allocated to z. So when we check for print x is y, although the list of elements present in both the variables are the same, but here it's showing boolean false because the memory allocation would be different in this case. So when we check for x equal to y, in this case you can see that it is true because the elements which are present in both of these variables are the same. So now let's try for another example by taking x equal to 5, y equal to 5, and let us take the variable z to be equal to x. So now let's print saying that x is equal to y. So here it's showing the value to be true because in this case for all the set of statements the boolean value would be true. So you can see that for print x is z the value is true, and for print y is z the boolean value also would be true. So here in this case also the print x equal to y would be true for the statements x equal to 5. So now let us take the print statement for x is not y. Here you can see that for this set of statements x equal to 5, y equal to 5 and z equal to x, the boolean value for this set of statements would be false. So if we try for print y is not z, it would be false, and when we check for x is not z, it would be false. So now let's take a variable x which is equal to item 1 and item 2. Same goes with the variable y. And we're going to assign a variable z saying that it is equal to x. So now let's check this set of statements with the print is not operator by using is not operator. So let's print x is not z. So here in this case you'll get the output to be false because we are checking whether the left operand is not equal to the right operand. So in this case it is true, so hence the boolean value will be false. So next we're going to check for print y is not z. So here it is true because y is a different value when compared to z. So now for print x is not y, here it is true, all because the memory allocated for variable x and y would be different, although both the elements which are there inside the list for variable x and y are the same. So now let's check for print x not equal to y by using the not equal to symbol. Here you're getting false because both the elements which are being assigned variable x and y are the same. I hope you guys understood all the concepts in this particular video.